we got bored and I called my friends and we've decided to build our own racing track. And there you go. Do you remember the rules?
No.
We have 5 laps, so you cannot go off the ramp.
Okay.
Of the track. We have first ramp over here, we have balloons over here, and we have a special pins on every single car, so you'll be able to get through the balloons.
I need a onesie.
What is that?
Oh, sorry, I'm just distracted. I'm like, I need a onesie.
What? Jay, pay attention.
Okay, I'm paying attention.
This is serious. Okay?
Oh, by the way, you have money over there. You have $100, you have $50, I have. Can you shut up while I'm talking? You have $50, $20, and $100. Right there on roundabout, you will try to pick them up with the special hooks we have on every single car. Right over here. Let's do that.
Vadim's ready. Are you ready?
All right. 1,
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh shit!
Let him go back.
Yo, get off me!
Oh, that ram thing is cool.
That's it, I'm bailing.
Oh my
I'll
god.
get onto the lap. No, I got the dollar, I don't care. No! All right, fine, whatever.
Why am I stuck?
This is harder than it looks, okay?
I know.
This is like hard.
Just try once again.
I'm just like,
There you go.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, Dion, you're just crushing it.
Get out of my way, Jay!
Jay, what's going on here?
This is third lap. We're just cruising now.
oh my god.
Hey, listen, it's hard being number one. You know what I mean? It's lonely at the top, especially when everybody else is so far behind you. Wow, this track just fell apart.
That was fun.
That was fun.
fun.
That was fun.
That
It was
was a lot of
especially fun because I won, and everybody else lost so badly.
You talk a lot, Dion.
You don't win a lot.
Just feed me.
Let me introduce you the winner.
Listen, I want to thank my parents. I want to thank God.
Oh my
Definitely don't want
God,
to thank Vadim. Actually, I do want to thank Vadim for being bad at driving.
Wait,
You know
hold
what?
there.
You did. You
What are
saved
you
me.
doing?
Yo, he's flexing right
What is
now.
that?
Yo, look at that articulation. Vadim, since you're poor, I brought you $1. I'm like a master driver. Ferrari called me the other day,
You still talking?
you know, and they're like,
Take his mic.
what are you doing on Saturday? I'm like, I'm busy.
Is he doing
I'm
what?
busy.
No, hold on. You're dumb.
Careful.